Oh, the 00. We're actually going to plug them in now for the first time and put some KMs on the clocks. Every time it's like, ugh. Click. Screw. Oh, is that a fart? What was that? Sponsored by Flows. Jesus, thank God he gave me that. Big moments installing the pipe that we got from Mr. X. Full pipe. Brian is lubricating the heater controls with 12-in-1. You've already installed the heater box. So some of the stuff's installed, the heater box is installed. We actually got this one from Mr. X as well because it had a bit of loom on it. My one was cracked, and a couple of other little pod vents that are in there. Bit of double-sided tape. The other vent is going to go in under the steering wheel. Beep, beep. Right, so we test ran the heater controls and they light up. So
it was great.
It's great. And now we attach. Mad, right. Everything is just analog, I guess. And
yep.
Grab. Hello. Yeah.
They come out?
Yeah.
Right. We'll need to. No, not. Yeah.
Snooze to lose, doggies. Oh no, Dougie's turned into a dog. This is my seat. Smile. Oh. The paw.
Could you get out of my way, please?
They are getting sucked around and then that's outside.
Fresh air, yeah.
Right. Cool. Now. Which one's not happy? It's the middle one.
It's the heater, one of the heaters. There's been a bit of a bones.
You're like, it's real easy, just throw it in, just do this. And you're like, I actually don't really know what. See, it would be grand if I took it out, but...
Yeah. Or even took it out this year.
Yes. Struck it 3 years ago now.
Full on milky with it.
Son of a penis. The old bit we stuck in, it's still there. Cool.
These are your face paints.
Yes. They're the ones I got off Mr. X 9000.
Yeah. They were obviously not in the car originally.
Nah, I don't think so. Sure, anything we're missing just wasn't there. Yeah, because all this was molested up there. And
yeah. Just trying to get the dash in, wasn't it? Harness.
For the
for the radio.
Okay.
So that's like standardized. Just the regular ISO plugs.
Yeah. So long the bottle has stained the roof. We've gotten to a dark place here with some of the stuff, replacing things you will never see. I don't know what to even call this, like an ashtray.
Receptacle.
That's non-smoking.
And that's smoking. Your lungs look like this. Non-smoker, smoker. And there's actually a little window in here that I've learned from Brian.
With a light.
With a light.
You can scrape the tar off.
Scrape the tar.
And there you go. The window is
right.
Turned. Okay. And this has conveniently a store of screws.
Nice, that we can use. Oh man, look at that. Nice. Yeah. His favourite thing in the world is pop-ups. Just like, oh, I love it so much. Got this one in. And then down in. Might try and replace these. They're a little faded. We've just installed the chime. It actually just says chime on it. So you can see it probably hiding in the back there. So when you go over 100 kilometers an hour,
pisses you off.
It goes ding ding, ding ding, and it does that repetitively, so it's staying plugged out. Ooh, right, yeah, I didn't realise it spreads. So I've put in the centre console, which is not part of the GTV. I wasn't going to run this, but fuck it, we'll just run it. It looks more complete with this stuff in there. This actually was in the car when I got it, and now we're going to put in this. We put this in. It's kind of all in for now. See how it goes. I could probably see myself putting all the carpet and stuff back in. I love just getting soft with this car. Nice. So I'm still not sure if I'm going to run the carpet. Maybe. I kind of like the look as well while you're there. It will happen.
Carpet will make the dampen down the sound.
Yeah, but he doesn't want that, he thinks.
I don't know what I want.
He'll realise he does want, because it's much more pleasant. So much more pleasant. Even without having any sound in it, it's really obnoxious. The Shermont was pretty noisy, like.
Yeah.
Just stuff coming off the tyres, bouncing off the fucking floor.
Everything
Like even though, but great.
Oh, great.
Like, obviously stones you'll hear.
I just want to finish it first.
That's it.
Yeah, I guess stuff that looks cool in like video option because it's a car that's on the track and it's getting wrecked and you're like, oh.
Cool, but then living with it on a day-to-day basis is like, shit.
Convenience.
Nice.
That's great.
You know, right? This thing?
Alright.
Alright. Oh, this one's been trimmed.
Right.
That might be an issue for your...
Fuck.
But if you put the radio there and the gauge is below, it might...
Yeah.
Need to pop it off.
Nice.
That was smart. Leave the screws in it.
Yeah, I think I did that.
Because I don't... Well... They're a bit of a nuisance with the roll cage, I guess.
Speaker with no speaker. So, this was missing off of this dash. This holds up the glove box. So I had to steal it from another dash and then put this in like this. Luckily we have about 4 dashes. Using this as a crusty example. Like so. It's installed. We threw the fuse box in here because it used to live in the engine bay on this side right there, and it's gone now because I asked Brian for a hidden example. So now that's in. Speaker thing is in. This is all kind of in.
You need to fit that vent on this side.
Yes.
Vent tube.
Get like a load of fucking Troy workstation.
Yeah, make a shit fest out of it.
Yeah.
That's what I said.
We have installed the under vent. Now we can put on the whole surround and then fill the void and then put on the speaker panel with no speakers behind it for now.
Yeah.
Great. So all these parts are missing off of my car. I thought I just lost them, but the Japanese man didn't give a fuck about any of these vents.
Through it and let's see like here and the bikes like it's like fucking those. So yeah, this is
Bags down, it's sitting in
1.5 inches on it. An inch of it.
The dash is nearly fully complete aside from a head unit and some of the vents. So we still need to figure out where to put the fuse box and stuff. It's probably just going to mount it to the inside of the dash. It's another step in the right direction. Same over here. Put in the console surround and all the little blankers and switches. Put in the gauge cluster finally. The 0 kilometers will change now because we have it connected to the speedo cable, but yeah, she's getting there. Who knows when we'll get Barry down, do some arches and some paint. Then with Jackie, we're still in the 5k fucking travel restriction, which is kind of annoying. So I don't know. Some small progress. The interior is nearly finished, or at least how I want it for now. Just need to put in the roll cage and stuff. But yeah, next really is just the last of the metalwork, the arches. Then we can bolt on all the panels and send her for paint. COVID has kind of slowed it all down a bit, but look. COVID. We'll get there. Got a few bits coming for the engine bay. Stay tuned, guys. I don't know where I'm going to cut this into any of the videos because they've been a bit chaotic over the last while, but it's just been so patchy, so you'll find this somewhere along the way and I'll laugh at me talking to myself in a year's time.